Welcome to this tutorial on how to report profile elements on LinkedIn using your PC. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to ensure you're able to manage and maintain a professional environment on the platform. First, open LinkedIn.com on your web browser. Once you're logged in, navigate to the profile you wish to report. This could be due to inappropriate content, spam, or any other reason that violates LinkedIn's community guidelines. Now, let's proceed with the reporting process. Under the profile's name, you'll see a button labeled Message. Next to it, there's a drop-down option labeled More. Click on More to open a menu with several options. From this menu, select Report or Block. This will open a new window where you can choose whether to block the user or report a specific element of their profile. For this tutorial, we're focusing on reporting a profile element, so click on Report Profile Element. You'll then be asked to specify why you're reporting this element. Choose the most appropriate reason from the options provided. LinkedIn takes these reports seriously, so ensure you select a reason that accurately reflects the issue. Once you've chosen your reason, you'll be prompted to confirm your action. Take a moment to review your selection to ensure it's correct. If everything looks good, go ahead and confirm the report. By following these steps, you're helping maintain a professional and respectful community on LinkedIn. Remember, reporting inappropriate content is crucial for ensuring that everyone has a positive experience on the platform. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of reporting profile elements on LinkedIn.